Hello, welcome back. We're away, yay! We're on our own, just me and Angela. We've come up to a site called Bay View. She's mouthing at me what it is. I know where I am. I'm not that forgetful. Stop laughing at me. We're at Bay View, Holgates Bay View, which is in Carnforth. I came up yesterday and the weather's a bit crap, but it's not too bad. I've forgotten what else I was going to say. Oh, I just tried to turn my Gopro on, but realised there's no battery in it. You've got to put a battery in it. So yeah, we're up here for a few days, so I might do a little bit of filming, just walking around the awning. We've put the canopy up, and that's flapping at the side of the caravan, so that's bugging me. So we're going to have to sort that out. No, you can hear it. No, you can't hear it. Yeah, so we're just here on our own. Set up fairly quickly. In about an hour we did everything. Well, I did everything. Angela can't do anything because she's fractured her shoulder. She fell at work and fractured her shoulder, so she's got one arm in a slingy thing. So yeah, anyway. Yeah, so we're going to have a walk today. We had something to eat at the restaurant last night. It was really good. And we're just going to have a walk down the beach later on if the weather bucks up. Other than that, we might not do a great deal. So as I said, we're at Holgates at Bay View. Quite a big site. There is a lot of tourers here. As you can see up on the hill there, you can see that. But there never seems to be. We've been here 3 times during the week, and there never seems to be a great deal of the seasonal people here. It always seems to be quiet during the week, so it's yeah, it's not too bad. It's like at the weekend. We've never actually been at a weekend. We've all been like midweek. But yeah, the pictures are really good. Let's have a look at the pitch. They're all fully serviced pitches here, hard standing. I'll put a link into a video that I've done from here before. Services down the side, quite close, so you don't have to go too far. I've only got one hose out there and 2 collapsed pipes. Van is looking absolutely filthy. Needs to do something with that. And we've just got the canopy up. And as you can see at the back here, let's go around here. Underneath the canopy, all we've got is our George Foreman grill, a couple of chairs out there. Grass at the back of the pitches, which goes all the way around. Those in the middle are seasonal, those on the top of the hill are seasonal, and round the outside of here are seasonal. But like I said, there never seems to be many people here really during the week. Train line just at the back there, you can hear trains, but there's nothing major really. No real noise. But yeah, let's get out and have a bit of a walk. Oh, facilities are always really clean at these sites, the Holgates. They've got quite a few in this area, and every time we've been to them, the toilets and the showers are absolutely immaculate. Although we use all our own stuff in the van, we don't use the showers here. We use our own shower, but everything's always nice and clean. So we've come out for a walk. The site's just there. I'm sure I've been here before. Yeah, the site's just there, and that's that place over there, and that's a woman with a dog, and that's over in the distance. That's nuclear, Hohem nuclear power station. That's a walk. They're rain clouds, and we're gonna get wet. So we're just having a walk. We might walk to the garden centre. There's a garden centre down the road here. It's quite nice to have a look around. We might do cake. Yeah, they do cake. I hate gardens with a passion. If I've had a chance, I'd flag all mine. I hate it. Anyway, but
we like garden centres.
We like wandering around garden centres. Don't buy anything because I'm too tight. But let's have a little walk down here. You get a better view here. You can see the site there in the distance, and then the garden centre's up there. But but we've not gone to the garden centre. There's a cafe a little bit further down here. I think it's a
It's a campsite.
It's a campsite, isn't it? I don't know what it's called, but they've got a little cafe thing there as well. There's statics there as well. I don't know what that is, what site that is. Well, this is all the what's this called? Flatlands. I don't know, what's it called? What are you laughing at me for? She just stands and laughs at me. She just stands at when I say something. When I say something wrong, she just stands and laughs at me. Is that oh, it's a train. She doesn't actually tell me what I've said wrong. She just stands and bloody laughs. What have I said wrong? Flatlands. It is flat and it's land.
Well, yeah, okay, fine.
What's it called?
Well, partly salt marsh and sand dunes.
There you go, salt marsh and sand dunes. Just because you studied rocks and shit at university. Rocks and shit, yeah. Anyway. Yeah. It's clearing up a bit. It is clearing up, the yeah, whatever. It's clearing up a bit. Yeah, let's keep going. Yeah, so just got back. We're gonna put our coats. That's the beauty of having the canopy up. Put our coats outside, get inside, have a nice brew, left the heating on, and chill out for the afternoon. Morning. How many days have we been on site? Day 3 or something on site. Last night, there's some really bad weather last night. Quite high winds, rain like we've never had before. Unbelievable. And we were out at about 11:30, just checking on the canopy to make sure it was going to be okay. We've had to make a slight modification to it. I'll just show you in a second. But sun's coming out now, believe it or not. But out here, on the ground, it was just water, like a sea of water. It was just completely covered in water. There was that much rain last night, and the canopy at one point caved in and full of water. Pushed it off, and we put this pole. This pole comes with it, but we've never used it. And what that does is it just pushes this out. But what we've had to do is to put, I don't know what you can see there, put some tape from the top around to go around the pole, because it was pushing this out anyway. But maybe that's a fault, a manufacturer fault. We've had to put some tape from there all the way around and round there to the pole to pull this beam here underneath it, and that's worked. The rain continued last night, and it didn't half bounce it down. It was unbelievable. Kept me awake for quite a bit of the night, but the canopy is still there. And maybe in hindsight, possibly we shouldn't have put it up. It is quite renowned, this site, for bad wind. And somebody did mention that in a comment on Facebook that I put on, that it's bad wind here, and that it does get really windy here. Well, yeah, everything's okay. We're gonna take this down later on today, and then see what's happened. Another thing that's happened is the wind was blowing sideways, and the chairs have got a little bit damp, so we need to just dry those out as well. Afternoon. It's afternoon. It's glorious sunshine now. We're just gonna go off to a garden centre that's not far away. We're not gonna walk. We're gonna go in the car. You see outside now, it's glorious sunshine, and we've taken the canopy down because it's anticipated that it's going to rain later. So we don't want the canopy being wet, so we're taking it down. So I'm not going to film when we go to the garden centre. I'll probably take some pictures and shove those in, and yeah, but it's absolutely glorious now. Well, it's the morning of packing up morning. It's been quite windy this morning. We're quite close to the sea, so hopefully when we get a bit further inland, when we're towing back, it'll be okay. We've had a good time here, nice relaxing few days. Bay View, Holgates Bay View. It's worth a visit. All the Holgate sites are worth a visit. Always nice and clean, and the facilities are good, and there's a bar and restaurant here which is quite good. So we're just going to pack up, do the last few bits and head back. It's about an hour and 20 minutes away from here, and then we've got our booster COVID jabs this afternoon. Woo! Fantastic. So that's it, bit of a short video, nothing much happened. Thanks for watching, you take care and we'll see you soon. Bye bye.